Guys, hope you're doing well and you are watching Hyperetics Hack channel, and in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can block any incoming email over the Microsoft 365. So if you have a professional email setup, means you have a couple of users over the uh, admin console of Microsoft 365, so you have to apply that policy which I'm going to tell you right now. So if you want to block any specific email address or any domain that is sending email you without any reason, or spam management, if you want to do the spam management or block certain emails or certain domains, you have to follow these steps. So it's very simple but little tricky. Let's start. Once you open your email address, that is my email address, and it has the administrative rights. So this is my the admin email address. This is my, I have already opened in front of you. Now I have to click onto the, no need to go onto the admin, we need to click onto the security. Once you click inside the security, you will have a security panel of Microsoft 365. Once you have a Microsoft 365 panel, then you have to click onto the email and collaboration. Then you have to click onto the policy and rules. Once you click onto the policy and rules, then you have to click onto the thread policies. After that, you have to try to find tenant allow या block list or block list. Then you have to click on that. You will have a list. You can see that I have already blocked one email address, and similarly you can uh, block any email address of any particular domain or any particular email address or entire domain. You can block it. Let's say if you don't want to receive any emails from the Gmail, you can block entire Gmail address, so nobody can send you resume or anything if you don't want it. So we can uh, stop any particular email as well, and an entire domain as well. So you have to click onto the add button. Then inside the add button, you will have a block. Once you have the block, so you can see that block domains and address. So you can give email address here, simple, or you can give entire domain here, whatever you want, and you can set that for how many days you are going to be blocked. Let's say if you want to block someone for the 7 days, you can, but but if you want to block someone forever, then you have to click never expire. You have to type domain or email address here, and you have to select this. And if you want to put some important comments so that you can remember it in future, so you can put it over there and simply add it. Once you add it, the respected email or domain will be blocked completely. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, subscribe our channel for more videos, and bye.